Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone. And it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to everyone's needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. And we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority and we'll work very hard to get it. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.